Alright, I want you all to follow me as we solve this question on the board. And the method we are using is elimination method. So the first thing we have to do here is to name our equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So this is our equation 1, while this is our equation 2. After the naming, the next thing is, since we are using a elimination method, we are to eliminate either x or y by adding the two equations or by subtracting the two equations. Now, if you watch, once we add these two equations, are we going to eliminate either x or y? Or once we subtract the equations, are we going to eliminate x or y? Adding the two equations together, we won't be able to eliminate x, because once we add these two things together, we are going to have 5x. Also, adding them together, we won't eliminate y either. And subtracting them, we will not eliminate either x or y. So what we are to do is to if we want to eliminate x, we are to multiply equation 1 with the coefficient of x in equation 2, and also multiply equation 2 with the coefficient of x in equation 1. So the coefficient of x we have here in equation 1 is 2. So we are multiplying equation 2 by 2, while we are multiplying equation 1 by this 3. So let's go. Here we are going to have 6x plus 15y equals to 3. Here we are going to have 6x minus 4y equals to, this time is going to give us 60. Now, we have to name these equations too. Here equation 3, while here is our equation 4. Now, if you notice, once we add these two equations, once we subtract these two equations, we are going to eliminate x, right? So let's subtract it. This 6x minus 6x is 0. So this one is gone. 15 minus 4 is going to give us 19y. Reason, look at what we have in here. We have 15 minus 4. This thing is multiplication, and once we minus times minus is addition. So this one is going to change 15 plus 4. Alright, so what I want to have here is 19y. While here we are going to have minus 57. Alright, now for us to be able to find the value of our y, we are to divide both sides with the coefficient of y, which is 19. So we're going to have over 19 over 19. This cancel this. Here is 1, here is 3. So the value of our y is minus 3. We have gotten the value of our y. So the next thing to do is to find the value of x. Alright, now for us to be able to find the value of x, we are to substitute for y as this in any of these equations. If we are using equation 1, anywhere we see y, we are to remove y and put this value there. Likewise, equation 2, 3, and 4. So let's use equation 1. So we have to substitute for y as this in equation 1. We have 2x plus 5y equals to 1. This is our equation 1. So let's substitute for y. We're having 2x plus 5. Our y is minus 3 equals to 1. 2x, this times this is minus 15 equals to 1. Right? So we are to collect like terms. Alright? Yeah, we have 2x equals to 1. This 15 will move to meet this one here. Alright? So we are going to have plus 15. Alright? We have 2x equals to 16. So for us to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 2. Alright? So we have 2x over 2, 16 over 2. Cancel, cancel. Here, cancel. Here is 8. So the value of our x is equals to 8. Alright? We have gotten the value of our y and the value of our x. So for us to check if this is actually the value of y and x, what we have to do is to substitute for y as this and x as this in equation 1 or in equation 2. In any of these equations, if we are substituting it in equation 1, we will be able to get 1. Alright? What I mean is that this place that we have x, we have to put 8 there. And this place we have y, we have to put this value. After we have solved it, it's going to give us 1. Likewise in equation 2. So once we'll be able to get this value as 1 or 30 or 3 or 60, after we have substituted these values, we will know that yes, this is our value. So let's substitute it in equation 1. Our equation 1 still remains 2x plus 5y equals to 1. Alright, substituting for 2, we have 8, for x, we have 8. And substituting for y, we have minus 3 equals to 1. Alright, so we're going to have this times this 16, this times this minus 15 equals to 1. You see, this minus this is 1 equals to 1. So we're able to get 1 as the answer. Alright, that means this is right. So let's also substitute it in equation 2. Alright, so we're going to have 3x minus 2y equals to 30. Our x is 8. While our y is minus 3. This times this is going to give us 24. This times this minus 2 times minus this is going to give us plus 6. Right? Equals to 30. This plus this is 30 equals to 30. Alright? Now we have checked it and we got exact this. That means the value of our y is this, while the value of our x is 8. So this is how to solve it and how to check if what you got is actually the right answer. Alright, thank you for watching. Like and share this video. See you all in my next video.